hourly trigger come down this morning. Price was able to get above the hourly trigger, pushing it up. Price got above the hourly trigger. Currently sits at 449.25. Bull's best friend right now. We know about that. Price currently sitting above daily trigger, hourly trigger. I'm going to show you right now, okay? You've got some sellers right here. So we're going to look at the rest of this week. Your outlook for the upcoming week. Right now, bulls are retracing. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Resistance is sitting up here, 451.59. Doubt it. All that kind of stuff up here. Your support right now, I don't believe in it. I think it's a function more of resetting shorts in the market here. So I don't give any faith in this. Now, with an expected move to the upside for SPY, to this 451, 450, 99, all that kind of stuff. With that expectation, I am going to expect sellers to step back in here. This failure right now on Monday is bearish too. You want to see the market go up into this close. I don't like seeing this weakness on the close either. I'm not a fan of it at all. I want you to know something, that when you're a bull, right, I want you to see something here. If this was an actual bottom, we would have run up here like it was nobody's business. Get what I'm saying? Would have blasted up here today. So it shows you that there's weakness here. That this move is not everything that you think that it is. So I'm going to warn you, if you are a bull here, there is no trade for you here. Another key point here too would be, if you want to start to get bullish, you're also looking for that trade above and then the retest of hourly to move higher. So I'd keep buying the hourly until it fails. If you're looking for that continuation of the upside to close all this stuff up out here, if you're looking to get up here, close this stuff out, then get up here, close that stuff up out, you know, the continuation of the upside. If we were going to close all this stuff up, I think you would have trend day on steroids, okay? Like you would have had a big giant trend day today, woken up tomorrow morning, right? Blast all that out of there. Or sorry. Blast all this stuff out of here, right? Come back in here on the third day and rip all the way up by day 3, right? 3-bar trade, 1, 2, and 3. This doesn't have what looks like a 3-bar trade to me on velocity. So I'm still overall bearish. I am, even with price above the hourly trigger and daily trigger. This just looks like another chance to sell the market up here. Just want to give you a heads up on that. You know, and right here, you got a target right here to sell that right there. Just want to warn you that if you're a bull, not seeing strength into the close here is concerning. I don't really care about 450 at all. I care about the breadth and the strength into the close. So this looks like a place for sellers are going to try to step in at least. Bulls, you might have one more chance in tomorrow on Tuesday to get it up here at least. Break these bulls out. You do have more chance to do this tomorrow. I'm gonna give it to bulls right now for Tuesday. Turnaround Tuesday to the upside. Bulls, you have one more chance. If this begins to break down and fail, though, if we begin at any point to begin to sell, right? Start selling this daily trigger. Any of this kind of stuff, closing bars underneath, we're going to make our way down to 440, 438, 440, 439, 13, and 437, 78. And we'll then have a, you'll, the funny part about this too is see how weak this is right now. If you do, like fail here and come down here, you will see that trend day that's like 2-3 days, an explosive move to the upside. So just right now, just watching the end of this close. Just watching the end of this close right now. It's okay. It's not what I'm looking for. So bulls, not a lot of time left. They need to get this done quicker than you think. They need strength. They need strength, and they need strength, and they need to make some highs. Can't be not closed out on Friday. I want to see this right here, okay? See that big move down here? Not good enough. Bulls are going to claim that's good enough. They took halfback. That's their halfback trade right there, right? So, seeing this halfback trade from Friday, man, does not look good for bulls. You want to, like, take all that back. You know what I'm saying? You want to close that out. You got so much you got to do back there. This is not good enough in my view. Not good enough to it's not. Apologize, but it's not good enough. So we'll see what happens in this close. We'll see if the bulls can sneak something out here into this close. A little bit of this, a little bit of market action. See if if they can do it in the overnight. That's one more thing too. Unless you get the invisible hand, dealers will be against you too. So not good, not looking good for the bulls here.